A solar eclipse is one of the most fascinating celestial events that has amazed humanity for centuries. In the middle of the day, the sunlight begins to fade. An unusual calm spreads across the environment, and the sky presents a rare and breathtaking spectacle. According to science, a solar eclipse occurs when the moon moves between the Earth and the sun, blocking the sun's light either partially or completely. For this to happen, three celestial bodies, the sun, the Earth, and the moon, must align in a straight line. This precise positioning is known as alignment. The moon orbits the Earth, and the Earth orbits the sun. However, their orbital paths are not perfectly aligned. The moon's orbit is slightly tilted relative to the Earth's orbit. That is why a solar eclipse does not happen every month, even though a new moon occurs regularly. A solar eclipse only takes place when the moon crosses the Earth's orbital plane at the right moment during a new moon phase. From a scientific perspective, this is a completely natural and predictable event. Scientists can accurately calculate when and where a solar eclipse will occur using orbital mechanics, gravitational forces, and astronomical data. From an astronomical point of view, a solar eclipse demonstrates the incredible precision and balance of the universe. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from Earth, while the moon is only about 384,000 kilometers away. Yet they appear almost the same size in the sky. This unique coincidence allows the moon to perfectly cover the sun, creating a total solar eclipse. During an eclipse, scientists get a rare opportunity to study the sun's outer atmosphere, known as the corona. Under normal conditions, the sun's intense brightness hides this layer, but during a total eclipse, it becomes visible. This helps researchers better understand the sun's structure and behavior. Now, what changes occur on Earth during a solar eclipse? First, the light begins to dim unexpectedly. Even in the middle of the day, the surroundings can look like twilight. During a total solar eclipse, darkness can briefly resemble nighttime. Second, the temperature may drop. With the sudden reduction in sunlight, the environment cools slightly. In some cases, the temperature can decrease by a few degrees. Third, animal behavior can change noticeably. Birds may stop singing and return to their nests, thinking that evening has arrived. Nocturnal animals may become active, as if night has begun. Nature itself seems momentarily confused. Fourth, there can be subtle changes in wind patterns. As solar heating decreases, local air movements may shift temporarily. Fifth, during a total solar eclipse, stars can even become visible in the daytime sky. This is one of the most extraordinary sights an observer can experience. A solar eclipse also reminds us of the remarkable balance of the universe. The size of the moon, its distance from Earth, and its orbital motion all align perfectly to create this rare event. If the moon were slightly smaller or farther away, it would never completely cover the sun. If it were closer, it would appear larger and block the sun differently. This event is not only scientifically important, but also deeply emotional for many observers. People often feel a sense of awe, silence, and connection to the vast universe while witnessing a solar eclipse. In the end, a solar eclipse is not a supernatural phenomenon. It is a precise and beautiful cosmic process that unfolds right before our eyes. It is a moment that reminds us we are part of something far greater, a vast and mysterious universe.